Hi, it's Courtney. Today I'm showing you how to do the first look of my rainbow series, this Grunge Red Smokey Eye with liner. The palettes I'm using today are the Beauty by Evolve and Bright palettes. Lay a concealer onto your lid as an eyeshadow base. Use the same concealer to carve out the underneath side of your brow if you haven't already. Blend this evenly across your lid using a damp beauty sponge. Pack the shade Hot Stuff from the Bright palette across your entire lid. And using the same brush again to blend out Hot Stuff into the crease using circular motions. Take a clean brush and blow out the edges of the eyeshadow look further. To blend Hot Stuff towards the brow bone, use the shade Base 5 from the Evolve palette. Also, use this shade to pull Hot Stuff outwards towards the temple. To deepen the crease area, take the shade Crease 1 from the Evolve palette and apply this using circular and windscreen wiper motions. Take the Beauty Bay Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow in Garnet and apply this directly onto the lid. Tap this evenly across the entire lid using a brush to act as a shimmery eyeshadow base. On top of that liquid eyeshadow, apply the shade Pop 1 from the Evolve palette using your finger for the best pigment payoff. Add further depth into the crease by going back in with the shade Crease 1 over the edge of Pop 1. Use the shade Hot Stuff from the Brights palette to blend over the edge of the upper lid to enhance the pigmentation of the red shades. To start on the lower lid, apply Hot Stuff directly below the lash line and drag it out towards the temple to meet the upper lid. Deepen the lower lash line by applying the shade Crease 1 on top of that shade Hot Stuff but keeping it right up against the lash line. Blow out the lower eyeshadows by blending Transition 5 over the edge of the entire look. Highlight the inner corner using the shade Highlight 4 on a pencil brush. Use your favourite liquid liner to apply a thin winged liner that stops just above the pupil. Start on the outer corner and draw a line down and outwards from the upper lash line. From that downwards line, draw a line upwards and outwards following the lower lash line, stopping around the tail end of your brow. From there, draw a line inwards that stops above your pupil, then fill in the shape that you've created. Curl your lashes with a lash curler and then apply mascara to your top lashes. The lashes that I'm using are the Esmerelda Doll Beauty lashes. Apply a small amount of Doll Beauty lash glue to the band of your lash. I like to bend the band of the lash whilst the glue dries so that the lash dries in the shape of my lash line. Apply the lashes above your natural lash line and squeeze them gently to your natural lashes to last all day and all night. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to pop off camera and do the other. And that's the finished grungy red smoky eye look. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my Wednesday rainbow series. Comment down below what you want to see for orange and like the video if you're excited for the series. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of this series or any other of my videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.